Imagine a world where physical objects materialize at your fingertips, transferred by mere signals. A realm where your favorite book, that cup of coffee, or even your car keys could be summoned instantly. This isn't science fiction, but a potential future reality. Scientists and engineers are dabbling with the concept of teleportation, a method of transferring matter from one point to another without traversing the physical space between them. The principles of quantum physics are being harnessed to explore this fascinating possibility. Imagine the convenience. No more lost objects, no more shipping fees, no more waiting for deliveries. The world becomes smaller, distances become irrelevant. Yet the question remains, are we ready for such a radical shift in our understanding of reality? The implications are vast, affecting privacy, ownership, and our very concept of space. In this brave new world, the familiar phrase, "be there in a jiffy," takes on a whole new meaning. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the endless possibilities that our universe